Figure out what we need for the next job.
Yeah, we just need a level.
All right, Miguel, what are we doing today?
Today we're putting up vinyl siding. The vinyl siding part doesn't get installed until after the home is delivered on site. The reason behind that is because it comes in two pieces. So after those two pieces are joined, then we come back and put on the vinyl siding. And that'll give you a finished product as far as the side of the home. And then we'll go to the other side and do the exact same thing.
How are we gonna be able to get those pieces to fit?
Yeah.
Good.
I did the last explanation.
Nah, I'll cut this while you...
What we do is we come to our piece that we're working with. We find an overall measurement for height. So you got about 11 3/8 right there. So we know the end piece is going to be just about nothing where we're starting off from. So that'll be this point right here. So we find a spot that 11 3/8 will work at up there. As soon as we find it, we mark it and then we measure over to find the distance it is from the nothing to where to fit at 11 3/8. Then we transfer that measurement onto here, mark it on here, up here, and then we go from nothing to where to fit at full size, pop a line and cut it. And then that gives us the slope of that roof and the piece that we need to fit in there.
Hey Gonzalez family, this is the service team from Braustin. Just finished working on your home. Congratulations, I hope you enjoy. Welcome home, Gonzalez family.